Welcome, dear listeners. Today, we embark on an intellectual journey, exploring the foundational realities that weave the fabric of our universe: structure, movement, and function. These abstract concepts are integral to our understanding of the relationship of physical matter to non-physical things like mathematical concepts and our own personalities. Imagine, for just a moment, a universe without any structure or movement. It's inconceivable, isn't it? Everything from the smallest atom to the most outlandish fictional universe, there are no exceptions. Fiction, just like reality, must adhere to these foundational principles. Fiction is our imagination's playground. Writers and filmmakers create whole imaginary worlds, and they fill them with otherworldly characters and fantastic creatures alien to our lives here on Earth. There is an outer limit on the kind of world they can create. That would be a world where there is no structure, or a world where there is no movement, or a world where nothing is functional. A world without any one of them is impossible, and without any one of them, the other two would cease to exist. A fictional world must be founded in the fundamental realities of structure, movement, and function, or it cannot exist, even in fiction. Why do these concepts matter so much? In everyday life, we might overlook their significance, considering them a given, but this oversight leads us astray, away from a fundamental understanding of our universe. Our common perceptions, while useful, often mask deeper truths, and our philosophical inquiry aims to peel back these layers of assumptions. Consider causation, another cornerstone in our quest for understanding. In our day-to-day lives, we seek immediate causes for everything. This inclination steers us towards simplicity. Yet, in our philosophical pursuit, we should seek a deeper understanding, one that transcends the temporal and local origins of causation and looks towards a universal cause, pervading the eternal universe. I know what you might be thinking. Does this mean we're searching for a cause without a beginning? Precisely. Real universal causation isn't confined to time or locality. It's a continuous process, unbounded by a start or finish, a concept as grand as it is challenging. Allow me to elaborate by starting with structure. Where does the structure that pervades our world of things come from? How do the things we see get their inherent structure? Thanks to the insights of Leucippus, we understand that atoms aren't merely inert chunks. They are dynamic entities with parts in motion, a microcosmic dance that brings functional things into being and constantly recreating the universe and life itself. Things get their structure from the structure of the atoms they are made of. So structure, at the particle level, is the fundamental reality on which the structural nature of things is founded. Every atom's elemental function emerges from internal movement within its subatomic ingredients and its framework, which is unique for each of the elements. Emergent functionality is a tiny expression of being. The elemental functionality of each and every atom is a tiny speck of identity. Every atom's purpose is to be the element it is. The functional nature of each elemental atom is a rudimentary form of identity, which emerges, like a human personality, from the structure and internal movement of its being. Functional things emerge from internal movement within particle structure, resulting in the world of functional things we live in. This dynamic concept is called emergent wholeness. This emergent wholeness we observe is a life principle. From the atomic level upward, our universe thrives with purpose. Through each atom's functionality, the living universe emerges, purposeful from bottom to top. Now let's talk about how this idea of structure extends beyond the physical to abstract realms, like numbers and concepts. These aren't built from atoms, yet they're rooted in physical reality, emerging from concrete compositions. A sum, a number, geometry, they all echo the physical processes from which they emerge. Expanding further, let's reflect on emergent wholeness's role. This concept illustrates that the universe is more than the sum of its parts, a living entity engaged in endless recombinations and transformations. So what differentiates living things from the inert? Life adds another layer, a purpose-driven, homeostatic personality emerging from collective atomic activity. Understanding these foundational concepts grants us insight into the essence of reality, where personality, an abstract entity found in the conscious mind, intertwines with its physical counterpart. Every human personality is a process interwoven with physical being, a harmonious blend of atom-driven existence and abstract constructs. The conscious personality, the unique identity that shapes our actions, thoughts, and desires, is a product of not just the mind, but also the heart and will. Through it, we cultivate relationships, craft intentions, and pursue personal growth. In conclusion, dear listeners, our universe, thriving through structure, movement, and function, is an enchanting tapestry. Inspired by Leucippus's atomism and beyond, our discourse reveals the universe's dynamic dance, a testament to the fact that even the abstract realities we conjure, such as fictional universes, must respect the timeless principles of structure, movement, and function. So, as you ponder these philosophical musings, remember, beneath our perceptions, a more fundamental reality is waiting to be discovered and understood. Embrace the infinite intricacies of your own journey, and may your curiosity guide you towards the truths that stand the test of time. For more information about the concepts of this presentation, visit limitationphilosophy.com, where you will find interesting articles and audio narrations. There are no requirements to download articles or listen to audio on limitationphilosophy.com. We don't have a newsletter, so you can enjoy our content without getting spammed. Thank you for watching. We hope you found it interesting.